Hey, all you people out there think cornbread is a big deal, let me show you how simple this really is. Go ahead and set your oven on 375. And this is going to take about 30 minutes. Put your little cornmeal in the bowl. I never measure anything. There's the sacred pan that it goes in. So make your cornbread about the same amount as the pan is. Break one egg. One egg into that. Now just pour you some milk in. About that much. Just enough milk in it that this mixes up. You don't want this runny and you don't want it stiff. For all you bricklayers out there, it's just about like a good mortar. Now, Grandma and Ma used Crisco. I like to use this bacon grease. I think it's just a little bit better. I'll show you how much to put in here in a second. For a pan this size, I think it's about a 9-inch pan. You want just one big scoop of bacon grease, just like that. Take that bacon grease and stick it in the oven. We're gonna let that bacon grease just melt in that pan right there. Now, when you're preheating your oven to 375 and you stick that pan in there, now you know that that pan is 375 too. So here's what we're gonna do with this. Take that hot grease and you pour it right in on top of that. See how that's sizzling? Then we're gonna mix that just a little bit. Just kind of sort of cut it in. That's all you're doing, just cutting it in. And then while the pan's hot, you just put that right in that pan. Get it on the pan. Just kind of sort of pat it out around there, kind of smooth it up just a little bit. And that stuff's done started to crackle right around the edge of the pan now. Now, don't forget your hot glove. Take your hot glove, put it right back in the oven. Put it right back in the oven and tell Siri to set us a timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so she's been in there 30 minutes. And see how it's brown right around the edge? That's how you know it's done. Pull that baby out of there. And let's get us a plate and I'll show you what that looks like. So here we go. There you go, cornbread. That's all there is to it. Simple, 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 simple. Now make sure that you don't wash the sacred pan. Just kind of sort of wipe it out with a paper towel and that is it. Cornbread.